My name is Ann Conrad. Welcome to my kitchen. I will be demonstrating to my audience how to make egg muffins or egg cups, as I will be interchanging the name. It is a delicious breakfast item, but it also works for parties. It works for busy moms and dads that are on the go. A favorite in our house is the ham, onion, and cheese variety. So let's go ahead and get started on the process. First and foremost, pre-start your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to need a muffin tin, complete with cooking spray. For time's sake, I will only be making 6 muffins, as compared to I would normally make about 12. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray them. I've already done this. Next, you're going to need a large bowl for your mixture, because you're going to be doing 12 eggs normally. So you're going to need a large bowl. You're going to need a whisk. Since my bowl does not have a spout, I chose a Pyrex. You're going to need a cup for milk. You can use any milk. We just happen to have 1% on hand. And then you're going to have your spices. I like red pepper flakes, but you can use any kind of seasoning in there. And then salt and pepper. So the ratio for your spices is 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes. And that goes in your little spice dish. So now step 2 is to make the scrambled egg mixture. Like I've done to save time, I've already done my eggs, and I've only done 6 eggs instead of 12, and I've already put them in my Pyrex bowl. So there is 6 eggs in there and half a cup of milk as compared to a full cup, and my spice mixture is already included. So now I'm ready to now do the third step, which is assemble. In assembling, you could put any mix-ins you like. You could put bacon, which is delicious. You could put pizza toppings in there if you want. It'd be a little weird, but that's the great thing about this. If you're making them for a party, feel free to get creative as you like. The favorite in our house is the green bell pepper, the onion, and the ham. So, again, for time constraint, I'm only going to do a couple, and just so you get the idea. And you only do 1 teaspoon of each ingredient per cup. And now you're going to take your egg mixture and you're going to fill it 2/3 to 3/4 full, because any more and it's going to overflow and make a mess in your oven. I've done that. So now we're going to take this and put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 22 minutes. Set the timer. This is probably where I tell my Siri to do that. And you will know they're done by the tops will not be runny, or you can use a thermometer and check it at 165 will be the internal temperature. And when they're done, like I said, they will look like this, scrumptious. You can put them in a tortilla with some cheese, and off you go on your merry way. Or you could just eat them as is. They make a great snack, they make a great meal, or a great late night craving when you're watching Netflix. Again, the steps are: you preheat your oven, you make your egg mixture of eggs, milk, and spices, and then you get your muffin tin, and that's where you do your assembly of whatever you like. Our preference is the ham, the onion, and the bell pepper. And then you fill it up 2/3 to 3/4 full. You put it in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes. Thank you for listening to my speech about how to make egg cups or egg muffins. I encourage you to try this for your busy mornings, and they are great. So thank you. Have a nice night.